Hey, it's Pat with PTI here, so we're going to take a look at how to inspect your brakes during pre-trip. So a couple things. We're going to look at general overall condition of the brake pad itself or the brake shoe. We're going to make sure it's not rust jacked and outside of the drum. We're also going to inspect for general condition and cracks. So cracks cannot be greater than 1/16 of an inch wide or 1.5 inches long. And we cannot also have chunks of the brake pad missing from the brake shoe. The other general condition we're going to meet is we're going to take a look at the overall condition of the drum. Again, we're looking for heat, cracks, excessive wear, scoring on the drum surface itself. We'll get to the measurements in just a little bit, but the other thing that we can look at is basically your saddle adjusters. On the new trailers that we have an indicator here. Green is good, red is bad. Whenever you see this little needle coming into the red, that means we're out of adjustment and we need to go ahead and get that worked up. On the older style trailers, we have some different slack adjuster indicators. Generally, forward is going to be good, back is going to be bad. Whenever you see this bar pushed all the way back, write it up. We'll have to get the adjustment taken care of. All right, so now we're going to talk about the brake pad thickness. So brake pad thickness can be measured by your pre-trip inspection tool. This little 1/4 inch indicator right here. You can stick it on the end of each pad to get a rough estimate of where we're at. If it's close, write it up. On a visual inspection too, we have wear indicators. So you can see the lip on the brake pad itself. This lip here is approximately 1/4 of an inch thick, and that indicates a wear bar just like you would see on the tire.